Hello there. For people who have just started working on Oracle, it is not uncommon to face an error where you try to connect to the SQL client, which is Oracle's SQL CMD SQL Plus client, and face the error that the command is not recognized. Something like this. So this is not very uncommon like I just mentioned. This is just telling you that system cannot recognize this path where SQL Plus is available. In my machine, I have SQL Plus already installed. It is in my DB home under the binaries. You can see that there is this SQL Plus already available, but this is not recognized when I launch it from command prompt. We can do one of two things. I can either go to this path directly from my command prompt like this and then launch SQL Plus, which will now recognize it, or what generally people do, or what is a general best practice, is to add this binary in my environment variable so that I need not go to this navigate to this path each time I want to launch SQL Plus. We will see how to do it. And uh, before we get into how to do it, let us see the concept of Oracle Home. The path that I just went to before, where it ended at C app Anant product 21C slash DB home, this is called Oracle Home. This is where all the Oracle's files are available once the installation is done. Up until this point, it is a relative path to each system. So if this is installed in another system, this will be a different path. But everything inside of this is a fixed path. Once you come to this Oracle home directory, every other directory inside of it will be in a specified path always. So this is useful if we have to programmatically access any of these paths. So we just have to set this Oracle home according to the system specification, and from there on I can navigate to any of the subdirectories programmatically. So for that, we should first uh, set Oracle Home. How do I see if Oracle Home is set or not? I can just ask the system to echo out Oracle Home. If it prints out a valid directory to me, then Oracle Home is set. If not, Oracle Home is not set. Here you can see that Oracle Home is just typed back to me, so that is not set. In order to set Oracle Home first, let us now go to environment variable settings on Windows. This is a Windows machine. You can just click on the Windows button, Windows key, and go to edit the system environment variables, and you will be uh, coming up with the system properties windows. Go to click on this environment variables. Then you will be seeing two types of environment variables. One is user variables for Anand, and the second one is system variables. User variables is very specific to this user who is logged in now. If you want any user specific variables, you can put it on here, or if you want anybody who logs into the system have access to the particular value, you can give that under system variables. I'll just make this a system variable. So now we will first set Oracle Home. To do that, I'll come here and click on New and give a name. I'm trying to set Oracle Home, and then the path. Path will be until product 21C slash DB home XE. This is where my Oracle Home is. So I'll come back and set this as my Oracle Home. Click OK, click on OK again, and click on OK again. Now let us launch another command prompt. If you have already launched a command prompt before setting the environment variable, that will not be reflected yet. So you will want to launch another command prompt window. And now let us try to echo Oracle Home. Now it is giving me a valid directory, which means my Oracle Home is set. This still doesn't mean that I can launch SQL Plus directly. It's still going to tell me that the command is not recognized. This is because Oracle Home will only take us up until DB Home XE, but SQL Plus is inside of this binary directory. So we will again go back to the environment variables, and inside this path under system variables we have a variable called path. Select that, click on edit. Now we will be giving another new environment variable which is for the binaries under the Oracle Home. Click on new. Now that I've set my Oracle Home, I can just use a relative path, Oracle Home slash binaries. Right now this will have all my binaries under Oracle Home. Click OK, click OK, click OK again. Now let us launch another new command prompt window and try to access SQL Plus. Now you see that it is recognizing SQL Plus as a valid command and asking for the username and password. You can just, to connect to SQL Plus using sysdba, you can just say slash at xe sysdba. I have Express Edition on my local, so I'm just using the system your sysdba login like this. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you.